Hello and welcome. In this episode, we will create a storage account with the Azure CLI. Let's get started. I am in the Azure Desktop app, not in the browser, in the Azure Desktop app. I'm navigating to this icon to start a Cloud Shell. The Cloud Shell is starting, and first of all, I would like to know which subscription is active. For this, I use AZ and then account show. Let's make this dark window a little bit bigger so we get more real estate. The subscription where I'm using is MS10 platforms. This is not exactly what I want. Let's change the subscription. First of all, let's list all the subscriptions. AZ and then account list space dash dash list, and we are getting all the subscriptions, and of course not dash dash list, it should be dash dash and all. That looks really much better. So now I'm getting all the subscription Visual Studio Enterprise Abonnement, then the next one, Microsoft Azure sponsorship, etc. The output is not easy to read. It's in the JSON format. I will show you another way. First of all, Control L to clean up the screen, and then the arrow key to view the last command. AZ account list dash dash all, and then dash dash output and table. This looks really easy. So now let's change the subscription. I need this name. Copy. And then we are using the following: AZ account set dash dash subscription space and then quotes, filling in the name, paste and quotes again and enter. Now the focus is on the subscription Visual Studio Enterprise Abonnement. We will check that. AZ account and show. Yep, it looks correct. Now the focus is on the subscription Visual Studio Enterprise Abonnement. First of all, we have to create a resource group. AZ group create is the beginning. I will show you directly what I mean. AZ group create space dash dash name, the name of the resource group, storage dash resource dash group, space dash dash location West Europe. Now we are creating a resource group. This is finished. In this resource group we will deploy our storage account, and it begins always the same with the command AZ. Let me grab the commands and paste it in. AZ storage account, then create space dash dash name, the name of the storage account, TV STA Cloud 2020 dash, then the resource group, following the resource group name, then the location West Europe, and the SKU standard underscore RAGRS, means read access geo redundant storage, and the kind will be storage v2. Putting enter, and now the storage account will be deployed. Take some time, and what happened? TV STA Cloud 2020 is already taken. Thanks very much Azure Portal for letting me know. The name of the storage account has to be unique over the whole Azure Portal. So I have to change the name. Navigating to the right position, and we are creating another name. TV STA Cloud 2020 and then 75. Control E to the end and enter again, and now we are seeing running. It means the deployment is underway. Let's wait until the deployment is finished. The deployment is finished. It looks absolutely great. let's check in the portal. I'm navigating to the resource groups, the resource group with the name storage-resource-group, and in there our storage account TV STR Cloud 2020-75. Of course, if you are finished with the deployment, don't forget to delete the resources, because if you leave the resources, then some costs will be generated. For that, I'm using AZ and then group, delete the name of the resource group, --name, and the name of the resource group. And the name was as following. It was storage-resource-group and --yes. So we don't have to answer any questions. And the resource group will be deleted. If you have asked yourself, where do I get all these commands? I'll show you. Open your browser and navigate to github.com. Then /Tom Wexler, and then navigate to the following repo. Azure Cloud is not in here, so I'm navigating to the repositories, and then I'm navigating a little bit down, Azure Cloud Shell, and in this repo you will find the script with the name create a storage account.sh. Exactly this script where I have used in this video.